Hello friends, good morning and welcome to today's session.
Friends, we have discussed the 44 sounds in detail, how these sounds are articulated, the manner of articulation, the organs involved in articulation. So, we are now thorough with the 44 sounds. Now, we will look at transcription. Okay. So, as I already discussed, English is an unphonetic language. It is difficult to judge the pronunciation of a word by looking at the spelling. If we are coming across a word, we need to know how it is pronounced. So, there are no hard and fast rules for understanding how a word is pronounced. The only option that we have is, if you are coming across an unfamiliar word, you refer the dictionary. And all standard dictionaries have the transcription, or by looking at the transcription we will be able to know how that word is pronounced. Now, we will look at some simple words and how the transcription goes. So, as we look at the simple word sit, so we pronounce it s, sit. Then beat, so b, e sound, t. Some more words as this dip, next one deep, d, e sound, p. Okay. Fit, f, the short e, t, fit. Feet, f, the long e sound, t, feet. Rich, r, e, ch sound, okay, rich. Reach, r, e sound, ch. Then ship, sh, the short e, ship. Then sheep, sh, the longer e sound, p, sheep. Wit, this w, e sound, t. Wheat, w, e sound and t. Right. This is mark, m, a, k sound, mark. The second one, mock, m, o sound, k, mock. Then dart, d, r, t, dot. This dot, d, o, t sound, dot. Then again dark, d, r, k sound, dark. This dock, d, o sound, k. Then parch, p, r sound, ch, parch. Porch, p, o, ch, porch. So, these are some simple words that we try to transcribe. Coming to longer words, there may be difficulty, as we know English is an unphonetic language. So, try to make use of the dictionary. As you are familiar with the 44 sounds, you know the sound symbols. So, the transcription of a word will be provided by all advanced dictionaries. So, refer it, find out how that word is pronounced and try to improve the pronunciation.
Thank you for your patient listening.